driving from Colorado Springs to the sanctuary was really, really cool. Knowing that in 3 hours, way out in the country, up the top of a mountain, I was going to be with wolves was extremely exciting. I mean, I was more excited than anything. Once I got up to basically where I could see Mission Wolf, I kind of had goosebumps. Seeing the teepees, seeing the enclosures, the fence, and it's just like, wow, there it is. You hope to even maybe go to, I mean, for me anyway, I mean, hoping to go to the zoo and even seeing a wolf is awesome because there's not that many in captivity. But knowing that right in the valley down there is, almost 30 wolves was insane. The first morning I was there basically changed my whole outlook on life. For me, being such an animal enthusiast and a canine educator, traveling the country from LA to Florida to Texas, now to Colorado, and to wake up and hear what I heard the first morning changed my life. The first morning. So the place has a lot of pull on human beings. I really. Working with Kent, literally within the 10 seconds I was there, I walked up to where I saw a group of people. It's a very just relaxed, calm place. And obviously you need something like that and you need an environment like that to work with these animals, and they have everything you could ask for to make an animal happy considering the circumstances that they were given. But I met Kent within 10 seconds. I walked up where I saw people. I recognized Kent from TV and the videos, and I introduced myself, and everyone that was up on top of the hill playing hacky sack, and they were all very excited for me to be there, which was I wasn't really expecting, because here I am so excited to be a part of Mission Wolf and to be there, because you do so much research and you see it on TV and all that stuff. So for me to be a part of it was awesome, but to me actually go up there and everyone knew who I was and what I was doing with Pet Tech was incredible. It was a really cool feeling.
You and I talk, does it work very well? And so what we're showing you is if you learn to talk to a wild horse, if you can tell an Arab what to do, and it does it, it's because you understand its body posture. And you're not talking with your words or your intent, your body, your attitude, and the horse will do anything you want.
Wolves treat each person individually kind of differently, where just by your body posture they can tell who you are and if they've seen you before, because they kind of welcome you into the pack in a sense. And so it took me a little bit to understand that, but once I did, it made working with dogs cake. 100%. It was incredible. Being that far away from home, not knowing a single person, and then being treated like family after the first day I was there was pretty awesome. Um, you can't ask for better stuff like that. I mean, you go on vacation, or you maybe go to camps, or you go to whatever, and you get along with a couple people, and it's awesome. But to be there and get along and be welcomed by every single person on the property is just, it's awesome. It just makes everything better. I mean, you're up in the mountains. You have limited electricity, limited water, you know, that sort of thing. I mean, you're just kind of living off the land in a sense, and you're 45 minutes from any town, which is a tiny town, but to feel that secluded from the world and being that welcomed from a group of people that you've never met before, it's incredible. I mean, it's the people like that that take care of these animals that you know that are just good people. And that's just the bottom line. I mean, these people are just good people. Your body posture right, you have to have your body language right, and they have to trust you. That's the biggest thing, is these are wolves. These aren't dogs, these aren't, you know, Fido. You know, these are wolves, and they've been here way longer than I have, and my ancestors. So these are animals that are so in tune with everything on the planet that they can read humans like a book. These wolves are the most honest creatures you'll ever meet in your life. They're very mysterious. I mean, you see them in movies, you see them in books, and so on and so forth. And that mystery that they have, or for me anyway, the kind of the intriguing, the unknown. You know, their eyes are piercing. Their howls are, you know, just magical. I mean, it's just such a cool creature. It's such an awesome animal. It's just different. I mean, yes, they're dog-like, of course, but you know, they're still very wild. I mean, they're still very wild. They're, you know, they're timid. They communicate with their teeth. I mean, the first time I went in there, Kent basically said, if a wolf comes up to you, just show him your teeth, let him lick your teeth, and they'll walk away. And I was like, okay. So when I got in there, one of the wolves came up to me in the ambassador enclosure and came up right to my face. And Kent says, show him your teeth. I showed him my teeth. He licked my teeth, and he walked away. And that was a wolf saying hi to me.
He's following my lead.
So it helped out a lot. I mean, there was animal behavioralists there from England. There was biologists, filmmakers, photographers, you name it. So to be surrounded by such a diverse group of people was not only awesome, it was inspiring, motivational, and educational. I mean, you just can't ask for better things. I mean, going to Mission Wolf is like a realm of experience and education you cannot price tag. I mean, it's insane the amount of talent that is there. So I learned everything from, videography to animal behavioral, to weather, to, it's awesome.